In Mixtup, my job is I'm a volunteer youth worker. So in the youth club sessions, I help out running activities. I also bring some of my activities to the youth club, like sometimes I might bring DJing or things that I'm interested in that I can engage the young people in. My favourite bit about working with the young people is seeing them come out of their shells and grow over time into much more confident young people.
David is a really kind and caring person. I think he has a really positive effect on other people. He really helps people just to be themselves. It's really incredible, all the things that he can do with one arm. And I find it so inspiring that he comes here and he can still do so many things.
I think what makes him special is his dedication. He's worked at Mixtup for over a decade now, and throughout that decade he's put in so much work and so much effort into not only improving my life but the other young people who come to Mixtup. I'm just so glad to have had the pleasure of having David as a volunteer and to support me in becoming more confident.
I'm chuffed to be nominated for the Outstanding Volunteer Award. Being nominated for the award was really unexpected, and I'm really grateful to those who have nominated me for this award.